My name is Zahid Ghadialy. I run the 3G 4G blog, which I have been running for over 10 years. Recently, I have started as a solutions architect in Parallel Wireless, which is a small cell vendor providing end-to-end solution, and our tagline is connecting the unconnected. For 5G, there are a lot of different network architectures being discussed. So 5G has a multifaceted requirement where we want to provide massive connectivity for IoT kind of devices. We want to be able to provide every user with high-speed connectivity. And then finally, we want to provide low latency for critical communications. But so when we have this architecture in place, we are not going to get rid of the old technologies. So we'll still have 2G, 3G, 4G working in harmony with 5G. And we would also have unlicensed spectrum-based technologies like Wi-Fi or anything else working together with 5G. Virtualization is happening regardless of whether 5G is here or not. We are hoping that when you have 5G, virtualization will play a key role. And I say that because the operators can't keep on paying for proprietary hardware. So they need virtualization because a network will consist of many different vendors, and the operators need the flexibility to be able to move between different kind of vendors. So virtualization will play a very big role for cost-efficient deployments and also to deploy solutions very quickly. Challenges is always a very big area. We have some vendors showing applications like remote controlled surgery and remote controlled cars and mining operations. What I really like is the NGMN white paper, which laid out 5G use cases in a very simple way. So we are talking about connectivity everywhere, whether it's for IoT or for users, and we want to have everyone being provided by reasonably good connectivity, like reasonably good data rates. So we can't ignore all the users. So this is a very big challenge to solve. Another challenge is spectrum harmonization. So we have a lot of different spectrums being trialed for 5G, but our devices cannot have all these bands. So what we want to do is we want to come to some kind of agreement between some common set of bands if we want to achieve economy of scale. And the third challenge would be how to get all these things working together. And this is where I think SON is going to play a big role. So we have all these different technologies, different spectrum, people moving in and out from various locations. So here SON will play a big role. Future operator networks, they will consist of multiple vendors, and the operators need the flexibility to have low-cost deployments. So what will set the companies apart is the companies which are willing to open their hardware via APIs and interfaces to other hardware vendors. When you do that, the vendors and the different companies can work together, and this will benefit the operators. And I think the operators will start dictating the terms, and they will keep this as one of the main criteria. If you want to actually supply them with equipment, you need to have open APIs and open interfaces. So 2030 is really very far out. It's 14 years away. We cannot really predict what's going to happen by then. But what I think is by 2030, we will have multi-dimension connectivity. So one of the areas which is really being ignored by the mainstream mobile community is the developments in satellite communication. So we have new LEO satellite constellations coming up, the most popular one being OneWeb, right? These can actually provide really reasonably low latency communications. We also have high throughput satellites which are being launched by some satellite operators. Now, a combination of these can really provide very good coverage ubiquitously, like everywhere. We always talk about not enough connectivity everywhere. Satellites can actually complement mobile connectivity, and I think this is going to be the main feature when we talk about 2030. Everything working together, mobile technology, satellite technology, even IoT technology, all of them working seamlessly together.